Hello, hello, happy Monday. Today we are going to build towers using one more, and then we're going to take apart towers saying one less. So let's get started. All right, you can see that I have one cube in front of me, and I'm going to add one more. I've added one more, and now I have two. One more than one is two. I'm going to add one more, and now I have three. I'm going to add one more, and now I have four. I'm going to add one more, and now I have five. I'm going to add one more, and now I have six. I'm going to add one more, and now I have seven. I'm going to add one more, and now I have eight. I'm going to add one more, and now I have nine. I'm going to add one more, and that makes 10. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now that I have my tower of 10, we're going to start taking it apart. And as I take it apart, I'm going to keep taking one away. And when I take one away, that means I have one less. So I have 10, and one less than 10 is 9. Now I have 9, and one less than 9 is 8. One less than 8 is 7. One less than 7 is 6. One less than 6 is 5. One less than 5 is 4. One less than 4 is 3. One less than 3 is 2. One less than 2 is 1. Boys and girls, if you have connecting cubes at home, I encourage you to try to make this tower build up to 10, saying one more, and then take your tower apart, saying one less. You are out of this world. Thanks for working so hard. See you soon.